Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a dupe video because in April I do dupes videos all month long because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute! And so now I just take the month of April to do some dupes videos. None of these videos are sponsored. I have purchased all of this makeup with my own money. So do not be surprised if you see a miniature, travel size, sample size, or like a kit because I'm trying to make my dollars and pennies stretch as far as they can, and I'm on a tight budget. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I do, however, believe that dupes give the purchaser, us, the buyers, a few more options on the market, a little bit more varied in terms of allergies, brand loyalty, brand boycotts, fragrance-free ingredients, those types of things. So I do like a good dupe, but again, I do understand a lot of people have strong feelings. That does not go unnoticed. But in today's video, we are facing off the Milk Cooling Water Jelly Shimmer Stick against the Moira Icy Glow Jelly Stick. We are going to see how these perform against each other and talk a little bit about them. So first, let's talk about the Milk makeup. This is the packaging. This is the actual component itself. You get 1.7 ounces or 5 grams in this component. It retails for $29. You can find it on their website, or you can also purchase it at Sephora. It comes in 5 shades: Icy Pop or Ice Pop, which is a white pink shimmer, Bubbly, which is a gold silver shimmer, Froze, which is a rose gold, Boba, which is a violet blue shimmer, and then Froyo, which I could only find on Milk's website, which claimed that it was a rainbow shimmer. Claims the highlighted ingredients are vegan collagen, aloe, and seawater. What Milk Makeup had to say about their product: what is it, or what it is? Shimmer Glow Go, our all-over shimmer stick, makes it easier than ever to get a mess-free sparkle. It's packed with microplastic-free, color-flipping pearls and glides on with a sheer wash of shimmer. We also loaded it with skincare, soothing vegan collagen to help give skin a healthy bounce, plus seawater and aloe for that cooling feeling. Each jelly shimmer has a clear base, so the sparkles look good against a range of skin tones. Swipe it on for a wet look shine, layer it for a more intense shimmer. Want to go even harder? Grab a spatula, break off a small piece, then blend it in for the most intense layer of sparkle. Swipe it on your lips, face, and body anywhere you want. Why you love it: mess-free stick, lived-in wash of shimmer, clear base, looks good on everyone, microplastic free, ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested, fragrance free, vegan, clean, and cruelty free. Why is Jelly Shimmer different than glitter highlights? Jelly Shimmer doesn't use glitter. We packed it with microplastic-free color flipping pearls that give you a multi-dimensional sparkle without any gritty feel. So they are heavily emphasizing the microplastic-free color flipping pearls. That is what makes this different than everything else. I will say on their website, even though they do claim that all of these have a jelly sheer base, there are certain colors that swatched like more pigmented than others. I do believe like Ice Pop, which is that white pink shimmer, was a little bit heavier on like the white pink shimmer, and it appeared a little bit more lighter rather than like a could go on all skin tones. That jelly base wasn't as jelly, if that makes sense when you're looking at the swatches. Moving on to the Moira Icy Glow Jelly Stick. This is the box. This is the component itself. So they have very similar components to them. This is 0.23 ounces or 6.5 grams, which is slightly more than the Milk Makeup. It retails for $9, so if you're looking at this for a cost savings dupes, it'll be about a $20 savings between the Milk and this one. This comes in 6 shades, so one more than the Milk Makeup. Candy Cloud, which is an icy white, Rose Pop, which is pink, Peach Sour, which is peach, Sunny Drip, which is like a yellowy golden shimmer, Frosted Caramel, which is a bronze shimmer, and then Gummy Grape, which is a purple shimmer. So very similar shades to the Milk Makeup. Let's see what Moira has to say about their Icy Glow Jelly Sticks. Add a fun, sparkling finish anywhere you want with Moira's Icy Glow Jelly Stick. This multi-use stick has a jelly-like texture that feels cool on contact, delivering a refreshing touch as it glides over the skin. The lightweight buildable formula is packed with shimmering water-based pearls and micro glitters to give your body, face, and lips or eyes a dazzling glow. Infused with aloe vera extract, it is designed to help soothe and calm the skin while adding a playful pop of shine. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free. So, it has those shimmering water-based pearls. It also has the aloe vera extract. It doesn't say anything about the vegan collagen, and it also doesn't say anything about being microplastic glitter free, but this does have micro glitters in it. So if that is something that concerns you, you might want to look a little bit more into it. If I find anything more about this glitter being like a biodegradable, microplastic free, I will try and put something up here, but I can't guarantee that my research is always that great, so I will do my best to determine if I can find anything to put up to let you guys know. If you are unfamiliar with how we experiment with dupes on my channel, I really try my best to pick shades that are close together. So on the Milk Makeup side, I got Bubbly, which is the gold silver shimmer, and then on the Moira side, I got Sunny Drip, which is the golden shimmer. I try to pick shades that are the closest together based on what shades are available, and then I like to use them side by side so that we can see application wear, you know, really test to see how they look and those types of things side by side to see if they are dupes for each other. And that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to use the Moira Icy Glow Jelly Stick on this side, and then I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Shimmer Stick on this side, and we are going to see how they look. I'm going to use them on my eyes, my face, and my lips to see how they apply, because as both of these stated, you can use them in all of the areas as well as all over your body, and we will see how they look. Okay guys, so here they are side by side. Something I can tell you for sure is that the Moira applied so much easier, and I was able to get a much more intense shimmer or glitter with the Moira. With the Milk Makeup, it really took me a lot of effort to get like a lot of the like shimmering pearls out onto my skin because of how the formulation is of it being suspended in jelly. It's almost like I was getting all of the jelly and none of the shimmering pearl. Like there needs almost to be like double the amount of the shimmering pearl in this. However, I do like the more multi-dimensional pearl and shimmer of the Milk because of that gold and silver, whereas with the Moira, it's all just gold. But I do like the Moira on my eye a little bit better because it's a much more intense shimmer. Same with on my lips. Again, it was just easier to get the shimmer on my fingers to actually apply it. I do think that these are a dupe for each other in terms of that like cooling jelly feeling on the skin. Both of them felt the exact same in terms of that cooling feeling on the skin when you apply it. The Milk makeup was slightly more jelly-like than the Moira. The Moira was definitely much more creamy. But I like the Moira's, the shine better. Even though I like the multi-dimensional nature of Milk's, I like how intense the Moira's is. So in terms of packaging and component, as well as that cooling, glowy stick feel on the face, these are 100% a dupe for each other. But what I will say is the distribution of glitter or shine or, you know, water-based pearlescence that they have put in here, the crushed up pearls, the distribution is way, way off. The Milk makeup, I really struggled to get this to build up to be like a highlight, like a glittery, shiny highlight. Whereas the Moira, it was like effortless. I just like literally went whoop on my finger and was like deep, deep, deep. Whereas the Milk, I felt like I was having to really like apply it to my hand and then like really smack it on my face. So with that being said, I will link these down in the description box below, so if you're interested to try them out, you can do that on your own time. If you're looking at this for cost savings, the Moira is $9. That's a $20 savings, which is huge. And it comes in 6 shades, so not just the 4 or 5 that you can find at Ulta or on their website. But I will leave that debating up to you. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, let me know down in the comment section and give this video a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.